Hey everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on how to use Resume.io to create a professional resume. So essentially, I'm going to be covering an overview of the platform and of course a hands-on demonstration so you see how easy it is to build a professional resume on this platform. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So once you navigate to resume.io, you will land on an intuitive homepage that offers two main options, resume and cover letter. Not only that, but you will also see a comprehensive suite to tackle all of your job application needs, from crafting standout documents to helping you with your writing skills in order to promote yourself. So diving into the resume section, you will see a diverse array of professionally designed templates to choose from, catering to different industries, job levels, and personal styles. So whether you're a fan of the minimalist designs or prefer to add your own creativity and flair, then these Resume.io templates have got you covered with a wide range of options to suit your unique preferences. And onto the right side of the screen, they have thoughtfully showcased a collection of resume examples tailored to specific professions such as nursing or customer service, even internships, teaching, accounting, and so much more. And this is a great way to gain inspiration and see what a standout resume in your desired field should look like, allowing you to model your own document after proven successful examples. And speaking of cover letters, the platform's dedicated cover letter section mirrors the resume section, offering the same range of stylish and visually appealing templates to ensure that your application package is cohesive. And where the platform truly shines is within its resume writing section. It is absolutely perfect for job seekers, providing invaluable guidance and insights into how you can craft compelling application documents. The resume writing section breaks down the process into small, easily digestible topics, covering everything from resume formats, so chronological, functional, combination, to crafting amazing summaries and objective statements that grab the reader's attention right from the start. So honestly, this section offers a wealth of knowledge and practical tips to help you navigate how to write your resume with confidence. So now let's go ahead and see how Resume.io works in practice. You may want to start by browsing through the selection of the design templates on Resume.io and select a template that aligns with your industry, personal style, or the job that you're applying for. You can customize the template by changing colors, fonts, and layout to suit your preferences. After that, you want to start by adding your full name, contact details, and a professional summary at the top of the resume. Make sure that your contact information is as accurate as possible and easily accessible for potential employers. Moving on, you want to craft a concise, professional summary that highlights your key skills and career objectives. And if you don't know how to navigate that just yet, then you may use the pre-written sentences. So based on the information you already inputted onto the resume, it will use some of that to make some written sentences for you using AI. And of course, you can always edit these sentences later on and tailor them even more for you so you don't start out from blank. After that, you want to enter your work experience beginning with your most recent or the current position, depending on which order you want to go with on your resume, but ensure that it's consistent. After that, include the company name, any job details, dates of employment, and a brief description of your responsibilities and the achievements. Again, you can use the pre-written sentences to help you navigate those sections. Moving on, I'm going to create a dedicated section to highlight any key skills I have, technical proficiencies, and relevant certifications, and I highly recommend tailoring your skills and achievements to match the requirements of the job that you're applying for. I'm going to follow a very similar process for the education and certification section. So listing your educational background, including degrees, diplomas, and relevant coursework, highlighting any academic achievements or activities that demonstrate your commitment to learning and growth. Once everything is inputted, take the time to review your resume for spelling or any grammatical errors. Again, make sure that the formatting is consistent and visually appealing. And once you're satisfied with your resume, you can download it in your preferred format. Make sure to save a copy of the resume for future use and easily share it with potential employers via email or job application platforms. Another cool feature that you can check with Resume.io is that at the top left corner, you can see a resume score. And this is essentially an indication of how complete your resume is, if your resume has the majority of the keywords in the job position, and so on and so forth. And before we wrap things up, I want to discuss a very important area, which is the pricing. So while there is a free plan, I don't think you can realistically stick to it, as you're allowed only one resume and cover letter. Plus, you could only download those in TXT format, so just text. and you have limited resume sharing and analytics. However, you could go with a 7-day trial subscription for only $2.95. You would get unlimited resumes and cover letters and the ability to download them in PDF. And then after those 7 days, if you don't need to use the platform further, you could get your money back. So essentially, you could test the platform for 7 days for absolutely free, but you would have to pay $2.95 upfront, which you will then get back after the trial period. And then if you needed to use Resume.io further to either edit your resumes, maybe create ones for different job positions and so on, then you can simply go back to the original plan, which would cost you around $25 billed every 4 weeks. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think of Resume.io and whether you have any other questions. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.